Hey there, fellow gamers and puzzle enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a mind-bending adventure that will supercharge your brain cells? You've just stepped into the realm of Blooklet, a treasure trove of brain teasers designed to challenge and elevate your cognitive prowess. Today we're not just exploring the riveting world of Blooklet, we're taking it up a notch. We're diving into a comprehensive guide that unveils the secrets to enjoying Blooklet right on your PC. Get ready for a thrilling ride through brainy challenges and a seamless transition from mobile to PC. Let's boost that IQ and memory while having an absolute blast. Welcome to the Blooklet extravaganza, a brain-boosting journey like never before. Blooklet offers a diverse selection of your favorite mind-bending games, including classics like 1010, 2048, Tetris, and a myriad of other brain teasers, all conveniently available in one app. Whether you find joy in the strategy of number games, the challenge of puzzles, or the intrigue of merge games, Blooklet has something delightful for everyone. Android apps, the heart and soul of the Android operating system, offer a diverse and dynamic range of functionalities catering to a wide spectrum of user needs. These applications span categories like productivity, entertainment, gaming, education, and more. The primary platform for discovering, downloading, and managing these apps is the Google Play Store. Today we will be looking into the method to download and install the Android apps on PC. So without any further ado, let's dive into the process. The process is surprisingly simple, but incredibly rewarding. Begin by visiting the official LD Player website and look for the Download LD Player button and give it a click. The download will commence immediately. Please wait for the download to finish before proceeding. Once the download is complete, navigate to the downloaded file and initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which are intuitive and straightforward. The installation will be completed in a few minutes. Launch LD Player on your PC. As the emulator boots up, you'll find an interface akin to an Android device. Locate and click on the System Apps folder. Inside, you'll find the Google Play Store app. Click on the Google Play Store icon to open it. If prompted, sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. Once inside the Play Store, find the search bar at the top. Type Blooklet and hit Enter. Locate the Blooklet app in the search results and click on Install. The download and installation will begin. Once the download is complete, click on Open to launch Blooklet from within LD Player. You're now ready to dive into a world of brain-teasing games and boost your IQ and memory. Transitioning to the PC version of Blooklet not only offers a larger and more immersive screen but also enhances the gaming experience. The controls are adapted for PC use, providing a comfortable and efficient way to navigate through the games. You'll find that solving puzzles, merging numbers, and strategically placing blocks become even more enjoyable and satisfying.